We had a property we bought for an investment and had it for about 10 years. We went to sell it. There was water in the basement, and our realtor had told us we were going to need to take care of that to be able to sell it. We initially put it on the market, had a couple people look at it. When they saw the water in the basement, it became a showstopper, and that happened about 3 times in a row. So we pulled it off the market and said, let's address this and a couple other things. And then we put it back on the market, and it sold. Good. I stopped out when they were finishing up and did a really good job. For one, the whole project was done very quickly. Like there's a good sized crew of people, and they went in and got a lot of work done. I think it was 2 to 3 days, and there was a lot of work to be done, and they were in and out, and cleaned everything up. The whole site and everything was clean, and no, I was very, very happy. And then Gus followed up, I think even more than once, just to make sure everything was working fine. I would recommend Ayers, and the system that they put in was excellent. They showed up on time, gave a good proposal without a high pressure sales pitch, which I appreciated. And then at the end, everything was cleaned up. They followed up on it. It was just a smooth, professional process. It wasn't like some of the nightmares that you hear of people talking about dealing with contractors.